Guys, iba. Iba yung banat ni Idol Mariano dito. Talagang gumagaling ang ating Idol Mariano G. Woo! Yes!
I know it's just not right for you. And you can tell me up, but I see on your face when you say that it's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop. I know I can treat you better than he can.
Guys, iba yung banat ni Idol Mariano dito. Talagang gumagaling ang ating Idol Mariano G. Woo! Grabe.
And any girl like you deserves her.
Yes.
Tell me why you're wasting time when you're wasting cry when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better. Sinabi sa'kin na masaya ka sa piling niya, pero bakit umiiyak ka pa? Akala mo ba na hindi ko lang ako'y mahal mo pa? Pero bakit mas pinili mo magpakatanga sa kanya? Wala naman ako
yun, oh.
hintayin na uli ang pag-ibig mo sa'kin ibigay. Pangako na alagaan kita, di ka na muli luluha.
Yun! Guys, ang galing. Talagang ipinakita ni Idol Mariano talaga. Kaya niya kumanta. Kahit mga ganyang kanta, hindi lang po mga pang love song ang datingan, pang madandami na kanta, kundi pati itong ganito. Ito guys, mga gandang kanta guys, pang international yan. The best talaga si Idol Mariano. Woo!
Like you deserves her. Gentleman, tell me why you're wasting time when you're wasting cry when you should be with me instead.
Yeah!
I know I can treat you better than he can.
Galing! Galing!
Better than he can. Give me a sign, take my hands with you.
You know?
Promise I won't let you down.
Nakita niyo yun guys? Yung ano niya? Napakalinis guys! Napakalinis. Kahit tumaas yung boses niya, napakalinis talaga. Yan ang gusto ko Idol.
That you don't have to do this alone. Promise I'll never let you down. I will treat you
Galing.
better than he can. And any girl like you deserves her. Gentleman, tell me why you're wasting time when you're wasting cry when you should be with me instead.
Yeah.
I know I can treat you
Come on.
better than he can.
Galing na Idol!
Better than he can. Yeah, better than he can.
Yun oh! Ang husay. Ayan guys ha. Okay guys, napakahusay ni Idol Mariano. Ang galing niya kumanta. Kahit po anong klaseng kanta pala si Idol Mariano ay kayang-kaya na niya. Ang nakita natin ngayon guys, talagang nag-improve po. Sabi pa nga ng mga comment dyan guys at sa ating mga kasamang mga reactors, si Idol Mariano talaga ay nag-improve na. At gumagaling. Congratulations sa iyo. Congratulations sa iyo, Idol Mariano. Napakahusay mo kumanta. At Pagpatuloy mo lang yan at malayo ang mararating mo dahil sa batang mo yan, talagang makakamtan mo kung ano mang ninanais mo sa buhay. Always pray and ibibigay ng Panginoon sa iyo yan. Congratulations and God bless you and your family. Bye-bye for now. Thank you guys. At kung kayo bago pa lang sa akin channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updated my videos. Salamat po!